How to find hidden lock chat on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update WhatsApp to the latest version. Then open up WhatsApp on a device. Now on the home page, simply swipe down. Now at the top of your chat, you can find locked chats. Now simply tap on it. Now enter the phone screen password or fingerprint. Now on this page you can find your locked chats. If you want to unlock the chats, simply keep holding the chat and tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now tap on unlock chat. Now enter the phone screen password and simply go back. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.